All right. So, hi, good evening, Tom. Welcome to our class LMS BAP AK3A. Again, for this evening, I'll be your teacher, Miss Cha of Alaska English. Before we proceed to the lesson, can I ask, how are you tonight, Tom? How are you tonight?
Fine.
Okay, very good. So that's good to know that you're doing fine. All right. So, Tom, so before we proceed to our new lesson for this evening, shall we begin and consider and we should consider, all right, reviewing the topic that we had last time. So, last time you told me that we have 7 days in one week, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right. So how about if we proceed in this activity? You need to imagine or follow this guideline. All right. So it says in here, today is Monday. Mm. Tomorrow will be Bongay Mai. If today is Monday, tomorrow will be choose
Tuesday.
Roy. Yesterday was Hôm
Sunday.
Roy. Now, number 2. Today is Thursday. Hmm. Today is Thursday.
Tomorrow will be Friday.
And then,
Yesterday was Wednesday.
okay, you're doing great. How about this one? Today is Tuesday.
Tomorrow will be Wednesday.
And then
Yesterday will
was.
yesterday was Monday.
All right, impressive. How about if today is Wednesday?
Tomorrow will be Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Bongay Mai. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be.
Tomorrow will be Thursday.
Roy. And then yesterday was.
Yesterday was Tuesday.
And of course, the exact day, the correct day for this evening, you'll say today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow will be Saturday.
and then yesterday was.
Yesterday was Thursday.
All right, very good. So we just reviewed this one. All right, so as you can see, what I always told you, Tom, when it comes to analyzing this one, today is meaning teacher is seeking for the present date. Okay, so to the present. When you say tomorrow will be, baungay mai, meaning future. Okay, future. And then when we say yesterday was, okay, meaning in the past, baungay mai. All right? So good. Also, last time, teacher reminded you that when also we talk about the days of the week, you should also be familiar with weekdays. Weekdays and weekends, right? When we say weekends, it talks about Saturday and Sunday. All right, Saturday and Sunday. But on the other hand, when we say weekdays, we are referring into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all right, Thursday,
Thursday.
and
Friday.
Friday. Excellent. Of course, mot, if it's only one, we say weekday. Weekday. If it's only one, mut. For example, today is weekday, is a weekday. Today is Friday. All right. Konyo, we add S, weekdays. All right. The same with Saturday and Sunday, weekends. All right. Can you say weekday, weekdays,
weekdays,
and
weekend,
all right, and then tomorrow, tomorrow,
tomorrow,
yesterday, and
yesterday,
and
today,
today. All right. So these are the words or the important words that you need to remember when we talk about the days of the week. Now, let's move into another topic, which is the months of the year. Okay, so again, we are reviewing the days of the week and months of the year because our first ever lesson is about lick, a calendar. Okay, that is why we are reviewing about the days of the week and months of the year. First, without further ado, so sit back and relax and listen to our warm up video.
Hi, kids. Do you know the months of the year? Here's a song to help you remember all 12 months. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Great job! Now, let's sing it quietly.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Fantastic! Now, let's sing it really loud.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Outstanding! Now that you know the song, let's try it really fast. Are you ready? Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
One more time.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, so that's it for warm-up song. As you can see, maybe you're thinking, teacher, that's a baby song. All right, it's okay. It will help you memorize and be familiar with the vocabulary. So before we practice the months of the year, so can I ask you, Tom, how many months are there in one year? Bao nhiêu? How many months are there in one year? You say there are how many
There
months?
are
12 months in a.
year.
Very good. And what are they? Shall we practice together? Can you say January,
January,
February,
February, March,
March, March?
March,
Good. April,
April,
May,
May,
June.
June,
This one is July.
July,
July, all right? Some Vietnamese, they call this Julie, not Julie. July. We have August.
August,
Roy, September.
September,
Kid, you say October.
October,
You're doing great. You say November.
November,
Good. December.
December.
Okay, that's impressive. How about if I give you a simple activity now? I want you to help Miss Cha to list the months in correct order. What is the first month in our year? I'll give you a clue, okay? What do you think it is? Mm. What is the first month of the year? Can you choose in our blue box? What is something that starts with letter J? What do you think it is? What month? Tom? What is the first month? It says letter J. What month is does it begin with does begin in letter J? You need to remember the song. January, February, March, right? The first one is, what is the first month? January. All right. Can you make your voice louder? Miklen, January. Can you say it for me? You say January.
Con nói to lên để cô nghe rõ nhá.
January,
All right. Okay, I thought your microphone has having problem. How about the second one? It says it's you're typing. Okay, good. Very good. Thank you, Tom. January. How about number 2? It says it starts with letter F. What do you think?
February,
Impressive. All right. Can you type it for me since I could see that you're typing? Good job, Tom. All right. February. And then number 3, what do you think it is? It starts with,
March,
all right. Is it Mark? Again, how do you say that? Ending sound, Tom. You say March. 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 Okay, good. How about number 4? The fourth one is
March,
A, A,
April,
April. April.
April,
Roy, how about number 5? Mm,
May,
May. Good. Number 6. June.
June,
June.
June,
All right, good. How about number 7?
July,
All right, good. How about number 8?
August,
Impressive. Number 9?
September,
Okay, very good. You're doing great. How about number 10?
October,
11?
November,
November. Okay, good. How about number 12?
December,
December. Okay, perfect. That's it for that one. Good job. How about with this one? First, teacher is going to explain to you what is the difference between cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers, okay? Cardinal numbers, how do you say that in Vietnamese? Can you help me? Tiếng Viet, how do you say cardinal numbers? Tom, how do you say that? Tiếng Viet, please read. So nguyen, so cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tells how many. It shows quantity. In English, also in mathematics, they are also called the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is counting numbers. So like this one, 2 balloons, 4 ice creams. Okay, so counting number. Now, let's move into the ordinal numbers. Okay, how do you say ordinal numbers on Vietnamese? Tiếng Viet, please read. Tom, ordinal numbers, what do we call that in Vietnamese? Chi so tutu. All right. So this is the one that we're going to use when we are using the calendar. Okay. We are going to make use of the chi so tutu. Is that how you say it? All right. This one, the ordinal numbers, it tell us the order of things, show position, and they do not show quantity. For example, first in line. Okay. First runner up. Okay. For example, we live, all right, on the third floor of our apartment. It shows an order, right? And also, ordinal numbers is important because we are going to use this if we are analyzing a calendar. Like, okay? So here, before we analyze the calendar, let's talk about the numbers from 1 to 31. So again, we are going to talk about the ordinal numbers. Okay, so for every ordinal numbers, there is some pattern. So I want you to listen and repeat. Tom, can you say first?
first,
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 second,
second,
third,
third,
fourth,
fourth,
fifth,
fifth,
sixth,
sixth,
seventh,
seventh,
eighth,
eighth,
ninth,
ninth,
10th,
tenth,
11th,
11th,
12th,
12th,
13th,
13th,
14th,
14th,
15th,
15th,
16th,
16th,
17th,
17th,
18th,
18th,
19th.
19th,
Now, this time around, the sound maybe varies a little different. It sounds like this. Yeah, 20th, 20th.
28th,
Yeah, not 20 eh. Yeah, 20th, 20th, 20th.
20th,
Yeah, good. And now let's move this one. 21st.
21st,
Roy. 22nd.
22nd,
23rd.
23rd,
24th.
24th,
25th. 26th,
26th,
27th,
27th,
28th,
28th,
29th.
29th,
Oh, yeah. 30th, 30th.
30th,
Good. Not 30th. No, 30th. 30th.
30th,
Yeah, good. 31st.
31st,
All right. Now, so this one, if you're going to see the chart, or you can take a photo if you want, so you will be familiarized with the spelling. So actually, when we talk about the ordinal numbers in here, what you're going to notice is that if the numbers ends with 1, 2, or 3, they follow a certain pattern. Okay? But I don't want you to get confused with this because we have a very unique numbers that doesn't follow the rule. Teacher, what do you mean by that? All right, give me a second. I'll explain to you. Okay, we have. Okay, give me a second. I'm almost there. Sorry, teacher is quite slow when it comes to typing. All right, so now take a look at this one, Tom. Whenever the number ends with number one, if it ends with number one, what we tend to add to the number is we are adding st, right? That is the short form for first. First, 21st, 31st, right? Can you see the pattern? We are adding st to the end of the digit or the number. Now, hi, if the number ends with number 2, we are adding the letters N and D. Now, we read this as second. Second. All right?
second,
So, second, 22nd, 32nd, right? Second. Okay, we have a pattern. On the other hand, if the numbers end with number 3, we are adding the letters. What letters do we add, Tom? We add letters
R,
and,
D,
all right, and we read that as third, third, third,
third,
23rd, all right, 30, all right, 30, all right, with this one is 33rd, okay? So there's a pattern, right? If the digits ends with this following, but it doesn't happen all the time. We have an exemption, meaning there are numbers or there are three numbers that doesn't follow the rule. This one, we have 11th, 12th, 13th. We don't say 11 first, 12 second, no, right? And here, what we are having is we add th to the end of the digit. So meaning, don't get confused, these three digits or numbers right here doesn't follow the pattern in ST and D and RD. Okay, can you follow, Tom? Okay, now to continue, there are some words that all you have to do is to add th and they are already an ordinal number. See, 6, add th, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th, right? You are just adding th. But in some other cases, we are changing the spelling. Like this one, fifth, right? We spell number 5 as Five, right? 5. Now, if you make them into ordinal numbers, the spelling changes. We remove VE by F and add TH. The same with number 12. We remove VE and we make use of adding F and add TH. See, the same pattern applies in here. Okay, you need to remove VE, all right, and then replace it with letter F, all right, and then we add TH. Okay, right there. 5, 5th, 12, 12th. Oh, okay. So another exemption from the rule is this one. If this one, 20, starting from 20, 20th, 30th. All right, we change Y to IE. All right, we change Y to IE, and then we add TH. And then remember, it sounds yeah, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th. Yeah, all right? Okay, so with this one, so these are the things that you need to remember when we talk about the ordinal numbers. Okay, I don't want you to get bombarded or to remember everything. That is why you just need to remember from numbers 1 to 31 or 1st to 31st. Let's just focus on the number of days in a calendar. Okay, so for your homework, sadly, we don't have much time. All right. For your homework, I want you to review the ordinal numbers. Okay. Because for next meeting, we're going to play a game as a review. And then Miss Cha is going to teach you how to read a calendar. Okay. So it goes like this. So I'll be teaching you this one. So it's or it is. All right, take note. Date. What's the date today? So for today, for example, we are referring for today. So with this one, you could respond in here. You could say, today it's, what's the date today? It's June. Ordinal number, it's June 9th. Okay. You could say today is Friday. Okay, it's June 9th. In some other cases, you could also tell the year. It's June 9th, 2023 or 2023. All right. This one, we have a clue in here. There are two ways to read the date or the year. Okay. You could read it this way, Tom. Take a look at teacher. The easiest way, you divide it into half. 2023. That is also correct. 1984. 2012. You divide into the half to read the number or the year. Okay. But if you want to read it in formal way, you could say it's June 9th, 2023. Okay. You could say that one. All right. So sadly, we don't have much time left. All right. So again, we are going to play and review this for next meeting. But the thing that I want you to focus first is have a review and analyze the ordinal numbers from 1 to 31. Our first to 31st. Roy? Okay.
First,
Okay. Again,
Em có
Tom.
sẽ không hiểu không ta bảo.
We are going to continue this for next meeting. Okay? All right.
second,
Okay, so we're going to continue this for next meeting. You can take a photo, Tom. Tom, you can take a photo. You can take a photo so you can review as well. All right? So sadly, time's up. All right. Thank you, Tom. Sadly,
Cô
time's
thì
up. All
cô Bảo
right.
ơi, sao chị sẽ gửi cái record này cho bố mẹ em ấy thì bố mẹ bảo bố mẹ về mở lại em xem lại một lần nữa để học thuộc nhá.
yes.
All right. So sadly,
Chào nha.
time's up already. That's gonna be all for this evening.
Em
Tạm
mới
biệt
bảo cô
and
em sẽ
have
mà
a
dạy
good night.
con đọc chứ đừng nói nhanh quá mà em ngồi em
All right. So don't worry, I'll be sending you the copy of this one. All right? I'll be asking the TA. All right?
Sorry teacher.
Yes?
Gia Bảo ơi,
Okay.
Gia Bảo ơi, chị sẽ gửi lại cái record lại bài giảng này lại cho bố mẹ em để bố mẹ em mở lại cho em xem để học thuộc nhá.
Vâng ạ.
Thì trong ngày mai chị sẽ gửi nên là bảo bố mẹ để ý cái tin nhắn của thông báo của trung tâm nha.
Vâng ạ.
Ok, chị cảm ơn.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Tom. See you on Saturday. Tom, on Saturday, I was told we're going to study 2 sessions. Okay. So see you on Thursday. Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye teacher. See
All
you
right.
again.
How tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday already. Okay. We're going to see each other tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow, Tom. Have a good night.
Goodbye teacher.